consequences will be very grave indeed.
Staying on health matters, the Pharmacy and Poisons Board has ordered a recall of a particular batches of Benylin pediatric cough syrup over quality concerns. The board has also suspended the distribution of the drug. Benylin is a popular medication for dry coughs in children. It is manufactured by Johnson & Johnson, and the brand that has been recalled was manufactured in South Africa. Nigeria also suspended it after higher levels of toxicity was discovered in some batches.